You've probably eaten Doritos hundreds of times, but almost nobody has ever seen how millions are made. Inside this massive facility, thousands of powerful machines work together to produce millions of Doritos chips every Doritos chip begins with carefully selected premium corn grown on American farms. The corn is thoroughly washed to remove dust and ensure perfect food safety. Hot steam softens the corn, creating the perfect texture for Doritos dough. Powerful grinders transform cooked corn into smooth, golden masa dough. Large mixers knead the dough until every batch becomes perfectly smooth and consistent. Precision rollers flatten the dough into thin sheets with perfect thickness every time. High-speed cutters stamp thousands of perfect Doritos triangles every single minute. Hot oil turns every triangle into the crispy golden Doritos everyone loves. Hot oil turns every triangle into the crispy golden Doritos everyone loves. Excess oil is removed, leaving every chip perfectly crisp and light. Signature cheese seasoning coats every chip with its famous bold flavor. AI scanners inspect every chip to guarantee perfect quality before packaging. Automated machines seal every bag to keep Doritos fresh and crunchy. Robotic arms pack every bag into shipping boxes with incredible speed. Massive robots stack every box onto pallets, ready for nationwide shipping. Finished Doritos are stored in massive warehouses before nationwide distribution. Loaded trucks deliver fresh Doritos to stores across the United States. Smart distribution centers organize every shipment for stores across America.
Fresh deliveries arrive at supermarkets before customers begin shopping.
Soon, colorful Doritos bags are ready for millions of hungry customers. After an incredible journey, every crunchy bite is finally ready to enjoy. Every day, millions of Doritos bags leave this factory for stores worldwide. From simple corn to crunchy chips, every step demands remarkable precision. Now you know the incredible journey behind every single Doritos chip.